What's up guys, it's your boy Retro88 and today I'm going to open this Pokemon Blister Pack set with the Typhlosion promo card as well as the Hydreigon coin with 3 Unbroken Bonds booster packs inside. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, let's open it. What I'm hoping for to pull from this blister pack would be a rainbow card full art. So yeah, let's hope that I pull something really good from this. So yeah, so we have 3 Unbroken Bonds booster packs over here with different artwork with Marshadow, Machamp, Lucario, Sylveon and Gardevoir. So yeah, and obviously we got the Hydreigon coin. There you are. Very nice. And of course the Typhlosion promo card. Basically I like Typhlosion as a Pokemon. When I used to play the Pokemon games, I always pick him as my starter, and I love fire type. So yeah, so this is a holo Typhlosion. Really nice. I love the artwork. Alright, so yeah, let's get on with the opening. Which one should I start? Let's start off with Sylveon. Okay. As far as everyone knows, I have Pokemon cards collection as well. And yeah, I have a good collection. And most of my collection are very rare. So yeah, let's get this thing done. Let's open it. Oop, 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 oop. To make sure I don't see anything. Okay guys, so this is it. So you got this online code. There you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we got here, we got Dark Energy, Torracat, Poliwell, Gloom, Sandile, Salandit, Coughing, Oddish, Zubat, a reverse holo Oddish, and a non-holo rare Wigglytuff. So yeah guys, that's the first booster pack. Let's get on with the second one with this Lucario artwork. Okay. Okay, so separate this one, that one. So you got the online code again. There you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, let's hope for a good pull at least. So we got water energy, another Toracat, Poliwell, Gloom, Darumaka, Caterpie, Cottony, Ekans, Cavania. We got Reverse Holo Stakataka. It's like a new Pokemon from Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. So yeah, and then what is this? Oh, yeah, boy. I got a tag team, Lucario and Melmetal. Exactly what it shows from the booster pack artwork. Yeah, boy. This is sick. Alright. That's good. Not bad. Okay, last but not the least, let's open this Marshadow and Machamp artwork booster pack. Not bad, you know. I'd rather pull something like that rather than nothing. Like, okay. Last booster pack. Let's go. So yeah. So here's the online code for you lot. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's hope for the best. Save the best for last. Okay, let's go. So we got is this metal energy? I think it's metal energy. Steel energy, yeah, steel energy. Samson Oak, Porygon 2, Dodrio, Poliwag, Ekans, Drowsy. Oh, nice. I got Pikachu. Nice artwork. Grubin, Reverse Holo, Cortana, and Crobat Holo. Yeah, not bad. So yeah, guys, that's everything. So it's not a bad blister pack set because I got this Lucario Melmetal tag team. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, share it, and of course subscribe, as well as smash that notification bell. So yeah, see you on to the next vlog. Peace.